Okay. Something else I didn't need to buy. I'm not in trouble yet, but we'll see. My friend Doug sent me this, and I could tell I wanted it, but I didn't do any research or anything before I bought it. I just bought it. And then after I bought it, I looked and saw that it doesn't look like it's Mac compatible. Doesn't mean that it's not. It just didn't seem like it was going to be. But we'll find out. We'll give it a shot. I definitely want to open it. Look at this retro mechanical keyboard. So here I've got a keyboard, the super buttons, which don't seem to be pictured on the front here. Here we go. Super buttons. That's the only side with any information on it. Okay. Here we go. It always wants to catch at that same corner, doesn't it? Did you guys see the new watch face? Sweet. Okay. Okay, we'll come back. That light's been on this whole time? Troubling. Got some stickers. Oh, I bet these are for the super buttons. Okay, stickers. Put them over here. What else is this here? Fast mapping quick start guide. I guess that's how we map everything. So it oh, there we go. Win, 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 win. That's how we know it's Windows. Okay. Got my instruction manual. Bluetooth connection. Okay, I'm just going to go through that stuff later. Here is my USB-C to USB-A cord. Probably for the... What is this? Just an empty spot. Cool. Yeah, what is this? I don't know what this says. If you know what that says, let me know. I guess that means it just was quality checked. Here's the super buttons. Oh, these are blue switches. Let me bring it up to my microphone here. Oh, it smells. We got a 3.5-ish cord here. Okay, let's put this aside. I'm going to open this carefully. All blue switches. Ugh. Got 2.4 gigahertz dongle here. Oh, it's magnetic. Here we got some ports on the back. Not really sure about all those. And then here is the volume, is got some tactile feedback to it. Here's a Wi-Fi switch, star switch, heart switch, Bluetooth off, 2.4. Does that mean it doesn't work wired? Let's get in here real quick, just see what we're dealing with. No, they're not blue, they're white. At least they're hot swappable. They're so loud. Let's check out these keycaps. Nothing special. I can't even tell if it's ABS or PBT. I'll have to read about it. All right. Now let's plug it in. See if it works. I don't really like how plasticky it feels. Very lightweight. That's okay. Continue. Shift Z. We're done. All right, I like it. The volume control works great. What does this do? Let me see if I can open up. No, so this doesn't work with QMK VIA. I can't do. Okay. What does this do? Press star. Okay, this is future Brian. I wanted to leave you with just a few impressions of this 8bitdo retro keyboard. I have mixed opinions here, since I am really used to the aluminum construction from the Keychron keyboards that I own. I think I'm just kind of underwhelmed with all of the plastic that's involved with this keyboard. I haven't taken it apart yet to see what's inside, so I'm looking forward to seeing what is inside of this keyboard and seeing how it stacks up to these Keychrons. But I do like the way that it looks. The design is awesome. It really does look like an old NES. It just takes me back. Me being as old as I am, I just remember using this machine. And the color of it, the design, it really does remind me of the old NES from the 80s. So I like that part of it. It connects just perfectly with my Mac. I've used the Bluetooth, I've used a USB-C connection, and I've also used the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and all three of those work just fine. There is no switch between Windows and Mac that I've been able to find so far, but it still does work just fine with my Mac. The only difference is instead of the Alt key, I need to use the Win key as the command button. That is typically used as the Alt key, like Alt V or Control V for pasting something. Yeah, I don't even remember anymore. It's been so long since I've used a Windows machine. Overall, for the price, I'm very happy with this keyboard. I might end up keeping it. I was planning on getting rid of it, but I think this might stay in my repertoire just because I really like the way it looks. I like the action buttons that came with it. Those are really kind of fun too. The only thing I don't like is the clicky of the switches. So I might switch these switches out if I do keep this and end up using it. But if I just keep it as a display piece, then I might just keep it the way it is and hang it up on the wall, let people look at it. Overall, I like it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. If you want to go pick it up, you can go to 8bitdo and check it out. I'm not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, but I'm just happy to share my opinion with you all and let you see what's inside the box and what it all looks like, so you don't have to buy it for yourself. If you have any feedback or comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. I'm happy to respond as soon as I can. And let me know if there's anything you'd like to see in particular in regards to this keyboard. If you'd like me to do something specific to it or mod it in some way. I'm just sitting here looking at it right now, so I'm happy to take any requests that might come across the board. Thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit here. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.